Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we don't have anything planned for you today. We're just gonna see what happens in today's vlog. We have we plan to introduce you to our stuff, but
like our chicken
and everything like that. But the main thing is just to do stuff, see what happens, and hopefully.
This is my favorite pet.
Oh, wait, yeah, my brother. Oh, yeah, this is Phil. Look. Here it is. Yeah.
This is my favorite pet we have, my turtle.
Vern.
He likes to stay in that spot.
So, yeah, that's one of our pets. Then
We will eventually have a dog in one of our videos, probably.
in about 5 months, we're gonna get a dog.
No,
So-
more than that.
Yeah. So we are actually building a house in our backyard. So you might hear some drills and saws outside, but that's okay because soon there won't be any more. So about 3, 5, maybe 4, no, maybe 10 more videos, and then we'll be done with the house. We already have a house. But another house. So, here are the chickens. See that one? That one's name is Daffodil. That white one's name is Royal.
And Fred, my favorite Fred.
The red one,
Fred.
pick her up, come on. Fred.
The nicest one we have.
Wait, let me get a good.
Hope he doesn't pick up the camera.
Come here, Fred. Come here. Come here, Fred.
Okay.
So, yeah, there's Fred. There's Tom. There's Tiger.
Here's Daffodil.
There's Jello.
There's Tiger all the way over there.
I already showed them her. And where's Zeeby? There's Zeeby. And I think that's all of them, right? Yeah, we used to have a black and green one that died, and we used to have another one like Daffodil, but a little more goldish.
No, it
bright
was
yellow.
white and blue.
Yeah, white and gold. So this is the house we are building.
Really cool.
Kind of big. There's like working lights in it already, but
Oh,
also
and
we are building a little
if you
project.
really like this YouTube channel,
Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want us.
Soon we're gonna be selling more like comic books.
Yeah, but that's gonna be later.
Yeah.
So we're making a little house of our own. So
Kind of the fort.
make sure to subscribe and
what
leave a
we
comment
should
down
add
below.
to the fort.
Yeah, what we should add to the fort, and if you want us to do a video on it.
That would be great. He built that because we like to have like. Okay. We have to have
Yeah.
wars with our dad. And
So yeah.
his fort is obviously. Wait.
So about the nail thing my aunt was just talking about. So
Oh, and we have another ramp right here.
yeah, we have another ramp up on the chicken coop roof. But
These chickens are lucky. They have a big chicken coop.
yeah,
Sometimes chickens don't even have a chicken coop.
because people are stupid. But so my aunt was talking about me saying, be careful of nails. You would already want to be, but because I stepped on a nail last week, right here. If you can see it right, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, there's a hole in my foot. So there's a hole in my shoe. Probably can't see it.
How about we introduce? Wait, don't we have another pet?
No.
Oh. Well, we do have lots of pets in our house.
Soon we're gonna have bugs. Sorry.
Like lots of bugs. Bugs are basically in our house.
Oh, sorry about
I
that.
used to have a pet snail, and then one of the chickens ate it.
Oh, sorry. All right. So, what? Yeah. Yeah. Really weird. So it's a nice sunny day in Oregon. It's kind of chilly outside. I don't know, but it's really sunny, but it's kind of chilly. So
Really nice. Like,
I guess we're done introducing you.
day to start a video.
Yeah. So I guess that's the introduction done.
As you know, it's Saturday. If
Yeah, it's Saturday.
you're watching it the day it comes out, it might come out today. Or it might take a day. Probably it won't take a day.
We're gonna post it today. Well,
So
if you're watching this in the future, then
yeah,
whatever.
you could probably watch this today. And if you are, then
Whatever. All
Go
right,
to
that's not how it works. It's kind of complicated. All right, so we introduced you to the pets, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we could take you a tour of the house. You should leave a comment down below if you want us to
we
do a
haven't done that. You've
tour of
seen
the
my
house.
room with our Bean Boozle challenge, and you've seen the kitchen, I
Kitchen.
think. Yeah.
in the baby food challenge. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you want us to do a
As
full.
you know, my mom loves the garden. We have like a big garden. We grow pumpkins.
In watermelons. We have one.
Oh,
We have a watermelon.
I need broccoli.
So what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, make sure to leave a comment down below if you
Look,
want us
I
to
want to
do.
show you this pumpkin.
First, look, baby watermelon.
Look,
Really small, but I have it up on.
hey, fish. See that? That's a pumpkin hanging to the tree.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Like the vines hooked up to one of the bushes. Then like the tree kept growing bigger and bigger, and then the watermelon pulled up. I mean the pumpkin.
Yeah. So
now it's hanging from a tree.
all right. So never mind about that. Leave a comment down below if you want us to do a full tour of the house. So today we're
Maybe
just
we should do that this year.
maybe in today's video, maybe not. So we're already going
I
on
know.
7 minutes. So you gotta do something. All right.
As you know, we have a camper.
So I guess today what we can do is do a challenge, not like a disgusting challenge or something.
Like we did yesterday.
Yeah. But
Maybe
we are
that
gonna.
wasn't yesterday, was it?
Yeah.
No, it was the day before yesterday.
No.
Yes, it was. We didn't do it on Friday.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't.
Oh, yeah, we did it on Friday. So, I guess we can do whoever can get back and forth on the bike fastest. It doesn't have to be on the racetrack. So whoever can get all the way to the limit and back on their bike. So I will go first. Forrest, you make sure to hold the camera. Don't talk, but you can count in your head. And just take a video of me while I'm writing.
Okay.
And then it will be,
If you're like far away, I'm gonna zoom in.
yeah, zoom in. And
Your camera's kind of blurry.
yeah, it's because it's
I always learned, you know, those people, Collins Club, where they put the two fingers. That doesn't work with these cameras.
yeah.
Anyways,
Anyways, so all right, Forrest, go stand by the camper and take vid and make sure to chase me so they can see me.
No, I'm just gonna zoom in.
Yeah, but
Are you gonna go around like go?
to the limit and then go back. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Then I'll follow you.
okay. Start counting when I cross this line.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
21. Don't count so fast. 49. 49 seconds? Yep. Not too bad. It's kind of cold, but anyway. Go get on your bike. I'll take it from here. Oh, and
I'll just use your helmet.
okay, but grab your bike. Oh, it's freezing. But it looks really nice.
Wait, is this a challenge? Whoever does it?
Yeah, whoever does it fastest. Yeah. No, I'm gonna get a redo since you counted way too fast at the start. So I'm gonna do a redo, but you don't. Yeah, so I will count slow for you, and then I get a redo. Ooh, and yes, I'm gonna surprise Forrest with the Nerf gun challenge. All right, I'm watching. Here.
How fast do you count?
All right, go. 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey guys, so I'm sneaking on Forrest, and I'm gonna make him do a Nerf gun war with me for our video today. Don't tell him, guys, that we're gonna do a Nerf war today. "34 seconds.
What?
34 seconds.
Yeah, you need to
Yikes.
get a redo.
Okay.
Too fast. So I got like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you have to count like 1, 2, 3. That's how I count it.
Okay. Nice bike. Go ahead.
Once I pass this line, I start. And now. What? How? How is this possible? You're not gonna believe it.